When it comes to enhancing the beauty, functionality, and security of your home, exterior illumination plays a crucial role. In Flower Mound, where many homes feature expansive landscapes and beautiful gardens, the right lighting can make a world of difference. Not only does it increase curb appeal, but it also provides safety, security, and an inviting atmosphere. Proper exterior illumination can transform your home, making it a welcoming space for both residents and visitors, especially as the sun sets. In this article, we'll explore the importance of exterior illumination for Flower Mound homes and how it can enhance your property's value, safety, and aesthetic appeal. Enhancing curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. First impressions are everything, and exterior illumination can play a pivotal role in how your home is perceived by visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. A beautifully lit home stands out, adding a layer of sophistication and charm that is visible even after dark. Well-placed lighting accents your home's architecture, landscaping, and outdoor features like fountains, sculptures, or pathways. For Flower Mound homeowners, exterior illumination allows you to showcase the unique characteristics of your home's design and landscaping. Whether you choose soft lighting to highlight flower beds and trees or dramatic lighting to spotlight architectural details, the right exterior lights help create a visually striking appearance that can increase your home's curb appeal. Moreover, with a variety of lighting options available, from soft path lights to bold spotlights, homeowners can personalize their outdoor lighting to match the style of their home, whether it's modern, traditional, or rustic. This kind of illumination adds warmth and character to your home's exterior, making it an inviting space year-round. Increased safety and navigation. Safety is a primary concern for any homeowner, and exterior illumination is one of the simplest ways to enhance the security of your property. Well-lit walkways, driveways, and entryways allow family members, guests, and visitors to navigate your property safely, especially at night. The right lighting can make it easier to see where you're walking, preventing trips and falls on pathways, steps, or uneven ground. For Flower Mound residents, who often have larger properties with sprawling yards and gardens, it's important to illuminate key areas like stairs, pathways, and the driveway. Path lights, step lights, and spotlights can be strategically placed to ensure safe access to the home, reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, exterior illumination serves as a deterrent to potential intruders. A well-lit home appears more secure, making it less likely for burglars to approach. Motion sensor lights, in particular, are an effective way to alert you to activity around your property and discourage unwanted visitors. By increasing visibility around your home's exterior, you improve overall safety and make your property less of a target for criminal activity. Enhancing outdoor living and ambiance. Flower Mound residents are lucky to have beautiful weather for most of the year, and many homeowners enjoy spending time outdoors. Whether it's dining on the patio, relaxing in the garden, or hosting a family gathering, the right exterior illumination can extend your enjoyment of outdoor spaces well into the evening. Outdoor lighting can create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Soft, warm lighting can make outdoor spaces feel cozy and intimate, while brighter lights can energize areas for socializing. From dinner parties to casual gatherings, The lighting you choose can set the mood and enhance the atmosphere of your outdoor living spaces. In addition to ambiance, exterior illumination increases the functionality of your outdoor spaces. For example, lighting installed around outdoor seating areas, kitchens, or dining spaces can make them more enjoyable for use during the evening hours. With the right exterior lights, you can turn your outdoor areas into year-round extensions of your living space. Improved security with motion sensor light. Security is one of the primary reasons homeowners invest in exterior illumination. Motion sensor lights, in particular, are a powerful tool for keeping your home safe and secure. These lights detect movement in the area and automatically turn on, alerting you to any activity around your property. This instant illumination not only draws attention to potential intruders but also discourages them from approaching. In Flower Mound, where many homes have large yards, these motion sensor lights can be especially effective. They illuminate dark corners of your property, such as along fences, gates, or in the backyard, ensuring that any movement is detected. These lights also give the impression that your home is actively monitored, increasing the sense of security for residents and visitors alike. Energy efficiency and sustainable lighting options. As concerns about energy consumption and environmental impact grow, many Flower Mound homeowners are turning to energy-efficient lighting options. LED lights, solar-powered lights, and other energy-efficient solutions are excellent choices for exterior illumination, as they provide long-lasting performance without consuming excessive energy. LED lights, for example, use far less electricity than traditional incandescent bulbs and have a longer lifespan, making them an economical and environmentally friendly option. Solar-powered lights are another great choice, as they rely on the sun to charge during the day and automatically turn on at night, providing illumination without increasing your electricity bill. By investing in energy-efficient exterior illumination, you can enjoy the benefits of well-lit outdoor spaces while minimizing your carbon footprint. Increasing property value. Exterior illumination is not just about aesthetics and safety, it can also increase the value of your home. Well-lit outdoor areas can enhance the overall appeal of your property and make it more attractive to potential buyers. As curb appeal plays a key role in a home's first impression, having an aesthetically pleasing and well-lit exterior can help your property stand out in the competitive Flower Mound real estate market. In addition to boosting curb appeal, the added security and functionality provided by exterior illumination are appealing to buyers looking for a home that offers both beauty and safety. Homes with well-designed outdoor lighting can command higher prices and sell more quickly, making exterior illumination a smart investment for homeowners planning to sell in the future. Conclusion. Exterior illumination is an essential aspect of home design in Flower Mound, offering a wide range of benefits that improve both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. Whether you're looking to enhance curb appeal, increase safety, or create a welcoming atmosphere for outdoor living, exterior lighting plays a crucial role in achieving these goals. With the right lighting, you can make your Flower Mound home more beautiful, secure, and enjoyable for years to come.